Hi guys, it's been a while. Here we are. We're back looking at math, and if you guys remember, we left off talking about long division. Okay, so if you take a look at the whiteboard I've got here, you notice that for the steps of long division, I've written them down. If you guys remember, if you watch the video, you all remember this too. But our steps we left off were dad divide, mom multiply, sister subtract, and the video introduced something new for us, brother bring down. Okay, so let me go ahead and put up a problem and we'll see what the heck I'm talking about here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to black ink. Here we go. All right, so suppose I was dividing 5 into, every now and then this little box is going to come up. I apologize. Let's see, actually it's a little more than a little now and then. 5 into, whoa. Let's go ahead and erase that. I don't know what that's about. Thank you. Sorry about that. 200. There are times like these, right? 210. I'm going to keep going. If it gets to be too much, then I'll stop and restart. 210. Okay. 5 into 210. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to dad divide. That means we're going to say to ourselves, can there be 5 groups into 2? No, you can't do 5 groups into 2. So instead of looking at 2, then let's say how many groups of 5 are in 21. All right, so if you guys remember, we've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and let's stop. All I was doing was counting by 5s. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20. 25's too much. Remember, I want to get to 21, as close to 21 without going over. Okay, so I can't do 25. However, I can do 20. 20 is very close to 21. So how many 5s are in 21? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to dad divide. 5 goes into 21 4 times. All right, I just dad divided. Step 2 is to mom multiply. Remember I made you guys draw your rainbows? Okay, 4 times 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. If you have your skip counting charts in your handy homework helpers, please use them. What did I just do? I did a sister subtract. I'm going to subtract. I divided 5 into 21 4 times. Then I multiplied. 4 times 5 equals 20. Now I'm going to sister subtract. 21 minus 20 leaves 1. And before we went on this distance learning break, that's where we left off. But we got to do something with the brother. The brother who's so annoying, we shoved him in the closet. That's the way I like to tell the story. I have a younger brother. Anyway, so we got to let bring the brother out of the closet, bring him down. So I'm going to take this 0 and I'm going to bring it down. Now, the trick to this whole long division thing is whenever you have a brother that you bring down out of the closet, you start the process all over again. Okay? You're not done until there's no more brothers to bring out of the closet. Okay, so I had a 0 brother to bring out of the closet, which means I'm going to start the division all over again. Notice a lot of people, I myself, like to draw this little line and put that 5 back out there again. Okay? 5 goes into 10. How many times? Well, let's see. 5, 10. 2 times. I can't squish the answer in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write that answer 2 right over the brother we took out of the closet. Okay? 5 goes into 10 2 times. I just dad divided. What am I going to do next? Mom multiply. 2 times 5. Now, if you want to draw the long rainbow, I'm okay with that. It's not really a rainbow. It's kind of like a landslide. Anyway, 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? I dad divide, I mom multiply, I sister subtract. 10 minus, don't you start that now. 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. Do I have any more brothers to bring out of the closet? No, I don't. If, for example, let's say there was a 9, then I'd have to bring that guy down. But I don't. Okay? Once there are no more brothers to bring out of the closet, I am done. So 5 goes into 210 42 times. That is my answer. All right, let's do another problem. Isn't it funny how it'll let me erase just fine, but whenever I go to write, it gets all wonky on me. Okay, let's do 4 into, I should probably start the problem up there a little bit. 816. This is a good one. Okay, remember our steps. Dad divide, mom multiply, sister subtract, brother bring down. Oh, I should probably get rid of this. Let me set up my... I'm going to write my skip counting 4s up here. If Brandon were here, he'd sing for me. 12, 16, 20, 24, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Okay, again, if you've got your skip counting charts, please use them. Okay, so back to the boogie woogie over here. All right. 4. Can 4 go into 8? Absolutely. How many times does 4 go into 8? Let's see. 1, 2. It goes in 2 times. I'm dad dividing. 4 goes into 8 2 times. Okay, awesome. Now, step 2. I'm going to mom multiply. Mom multiply. See, I started singing and my screen went wonky on me. Sorry about that. Okay. Really? Are we happy now? Can we click on this and move on with our life? Thank you. Okay. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, we just mom multiply. Now we're going to sister subtract. And remember, okay, when we sister subtract, 8 minus 8 equals 0. We're not done yet, though, because I have a brother. I have 2 brothers, actually, in the closet. Now, here's the trick. We can't let both guys out at the same time. It's only one brother out of the closet at a time. You can't let 2 brothers out of the closet. It'll be chaos craziness, okay? 1 brother out of the closet. So let's bring down this 1.